My name is Erin Martin Serrano, and I'm the Director of Business Development at Hedgehog Technologies. Hedgehog Technologies is a multidisciplinary engineering firm that specializes in safety-critical projects in electrical, mechanical, and electromechanical engineering. Since 2001, we have delivered innovative and holistic solutions for our clients and communities that we serve. Our core industries are industrial automation, amusement rides, municipality, renewable energy, and marine. We're risk management experts with TÜV Rheinland certified functional safety engineers who specialize in complex projects in often harsh and hazardous environments. Our diversity of backgrounds and disciplines help us foster a deeper sense of collaboration that helps meet our clients' project scope and delivery. Our shared diversity and experience lend to our ability to support communities around the world. For example, we work closely with Indigenous communities to enable microgrid connectivity. We also specialize in safety-critical controls for industries such as amusement rides and subsea. The strong Rockwell brand and their focus on excellent customer services is a great complement to Hedgehog's values.